There it goes. Okay, it's recording.
Okay. All right. Okay, so we're gonna turn it that way. Okay. So in the position, everybody. Turning nice and easy, nice and easy. Yeah. Okay, great. Here we go. Ready? Yeah. 3. 1, 2, 3. Nice and easy. You can't go slow enough.
What was that? Really photo?
No. Up and lifting up. And turning. Up. Okay. Are you on the step?
Yep.
Okay. Cool. That's it.
You guys good?
All right. Yeah. Good. Bring it double. Now kind of push it to you. All right. Let's just I'm gonna just lift it up with you into your apartment there, so we can get off that wood floor. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Keep going. Yeah. Okay. Okay, more down. Okay. Yeah. All right, fantastic. Let's turn this. Actually, let's go backwards. Great.
Pretty much your victory. I'm like,
Yeah. Exactly. Easy now. Haven't finished the goal line quite yet. We just roll it. No wheels. There we go. There you go. All right. Woo. Now we're not going to plug it in until I have all the doors on. Sometimes we bounce around, have to let it settle. All right. Okay, so it's something.
It actually fits, yeah. You can push it more.
Yeah, there it is. Okay.
More.
Okay, so something right about there. Okay. Okay, cool. So we want to open this way. Is that correct?
no, that way.
Oh.
And we actually want it all the way in.
Yeah.
Which is
yeah,
how it
we'll worry
works.
about that. With the wood and everything once I have the doors on.
Cool. Yeah.
So great. Super.
Sweet.
They said it couldn't be done, but we did it.